What's up guys? Gabi na, gising pa ako. Ang oras na. Yun nga dito. Kasi nga, nanonood pa ako ng gymnastics. It's men's vault final. So, ayun. Lumaban na naman si Kaloy, guys. Our very own Kaloy. Nanalo na siya sa floor exercise. Gold medal yung Philippines. Then, ngayon, lumaban na naman ulit siya. So, ayun. Naka-double gold kami. Naka-double gold yung Philippines, guys. Diba? Then, waiting for the victory ceremony. It's 11:27 na, guys. Congrats, Kaloy! Ayan na, guys. Guys, ayan na. Men's vault victory ceremony. Ayoko, guys, pakita. Nakaka-copyright ako. Ayan na si Kaloy, guys! Ayan na, guys. Ayan na. Double Olympic champion. Gold yan, guys. Oh my God. Hindi nakakaiyak.
This is not the SEA Games, the Asian Games. In your lifetime, would you have imagined the Philippine national anthem being played on?
Yun na nga. Tapos na, guys. Nakakaiyak. 2 consecutive days, 2 consecutive golds then for the PH. Yay! Congrats, Kaloy! And congrats, Philippines! Yun lang, guys. Share ko lang. Nakakaiyak eh. So, end ko na to. Ano to, live? Bye, guys. A for the Philippines.
Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone.
A for the Philippines.
Something feels out of place, but you have no
Congrats,
doubt.
congrats, 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 Kaloy.
It's like we want the